Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey, and I'm here to help small business owners and creatives master their finances so you can spend more time doing what you love and less time stressing about numbers. So today we are diving into a game changer topic, tax write-offs. So if you've ever wondered what you can and can't deduct to save money on your taxes, this video is for you. But before we jump in, I've got an amazing free resource for you. My 75 plus write-offs for small business owners guide. This is the ultimate checklist to make sure that you're not leaving money on the table. So you can grab your copy by clicking the link in the description below or heading to tailormadebks.com. It's completely free and packed with value. So let's dive into today's topic. What are tax write-offs? A write-off is a legitimate expense that lowers your taxable income. These are also referred to as a tax deduction. Ultimately, the IRS determines what is deductible or not. These expenses must be business related, necessary, and ordinary course of business. You have to keep records and receipts for these to count as deductible expenses. So now we're getting into the fun part. And this is also covered in my 75 plus tax write-offs for small businesses. We're going to go through specific tax write-offs for small businesses. So the first category is workspace and supplies. Home office. Did you know that there's a home office deduction? So you can actually deduct a portion of your house for your business if you work in your home. So keep that in mind. Ask your tax accountant or tax professional what that specific deduction is. Office supplies and equipment. So think computers, printers, paper, general office supplies, all of that is tax deductible. Business tools and software. So think design software, photography gear, editing apps, all of those. Subscriptions for work, such as Canva, Adobe, your website hosting, Squarespace, etc. Category 3 is marketing and advertising. So think social media ads, business cards, website development, branding expenses, logo design, professional photography for the branding photos. Anything related to that is also deductible. Travel and meal. So this is another great category. There are expenses that are deductible for mileage, flight, hotel. You want to make sure that you keep records of your mileage that you have driven because there's a tax write-off for that. Client meetings and business meals, those are 50% deductible. So 50% of whatever you spend for your meal category is deductible for that. Professional development, so education related to your business, workshops, conferences, things of that nature are all deductible. Your business has to have been formed before you take these courses in order for it to count as a deduction. Books, podcasts, memberships that improve your skills are also deductible. All right. So what are the common mistakes to avoid? Obviously, you can make mistakes. So let's talk about those. Overlooking those small deductions. So think parking fees or professional dues. Those add up really quick and can be a missed deduction. Mixing business and personal finances. Let's not do that. We want to open up a separate business bank account. If you need a recommendation, I have one in the description below. So we want to make sure that all of those bank accounts, credit cards that are only used for business, personal expenses do not get brought in. And then another big mistake is not keeping proper record. You want to use a bookkeeping software or an app to track expenses consistently. I also have a link in the description for my favorite accounting software, which is QuickBooks Online. It also has a free app that you can download that makes receipt capture super easy. And so you just take a picture of it and upload it, and it will automatically add it to that expense. It's wonderful. All right. So key takeaways from today's video. We are going to maximize those deductions and stay organized. We're going to keep track of everything, put it in our accounting software so that way we can make sure that everything related to our business is accounted for. We want to keep clear and organized documentation. So either you are adding those receipts to those expenses through the QuickBooks Receipt Manager app, or you are taking pictures and uploading them to a Google Drive. Either way, we are keeping clear and organized documentation of those transactions. And lastly, we are going to keep those business and personal finances separate. You are going to get a dedicated business account just for your business finances. Personal and business do not mix. All right. Don't forget to grab your free 75 plus write-offs for small business owners guide. The link is in the description. It's a must-have for making tax season a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, just subscribe, and comment below with your biggest tax write-off questions. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, staying on top of your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. And I'm here to help. See you in the next video.